Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve full storage on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve full storage on Instagram, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Instagram. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. Here you can go to Play Store, you can search about Instagram, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.